Okay, guys, if you have not yet done the homework on area and circumference of a circle, it is a link in Desmos. So we've used Desmos before, but someone has built a little homework app in Desmos. So if you open the document, Google document, you'll see that the Desmos link is right here. And that Desmos link is also in RenWeb. It's also in the Word document that I sent you. So you're going to go to Desmos. So let me click on that link there. It's going to take me over to Desmos. And this is what I see. Let me just scroll out a little bit there. So here's the original activity that's on Desmos. And what I'd like for you to do is read through this activity. We know that the circumference or perimeter of a circle with radius 1 is pi. So if we go all the way down to the bottom here and we make the radius 1, the area is 1 pi. The perimeter or the circumference is 2 pi. So the area is 1 pi square units. Perimeter is 2 pi units. So what we want to do is take a look at the circles. I'm going to move this back up to a 3. These two circles. The blue one is the unit circle, right? That's one of our vocabulary words. Unit circle has a radius of 1. And then our second circle, our green circle, has a radius of 3. It tells us right here. So how are the two of them related? Well, if I go back to the question on my Google form, after I put in my name and my class period, it says, since circles always have the same shape, what's the relationship between any two circles? Any two circles, like the two circles we just saw in Desmos, the ones that were, the one that was green, the one that was blue. Then here's your big secret. Check all that apply. And I'm going to be sorry, I clicked in there. Here we go. Check all that apply. That almost always means there's more than one answer. So if you've already turned in this homework and you did not choose more than one answer, give it another shot. I want to make sure that you get all the points you can. As a hint, this question is worth 3 points. 3 points. So you can, oof, I did it again. You can, on your version, you'll be able to click into any of these boxes, and knowing that this question is worth 3 points, you might want to see how many of these actually apply. Definitely more than one. Okay, so if the area of the circle with radius 1, the area is pi square units, what's the area of a circle with 3 units? Well, we could go back to Desmos and check this out. If we go back to Desmos, and radius 3, the area is 9 pi square units. 9 pi square units. Now, how do we know it's 9? Well, it's telling us now that it's 9, but we also know that the area of a circle, the formula is pi times r squared. And r here is 3, and 3 squared is 9. So the area of a circle that has a radius of 3 is 3 squared times pi, or 9 times pi. So make sure that you have that in your notebook. The area of a circle equals pi r squared. Similarly, then the perimeter, or the circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. So if r is 3, then 2 times r is 6 times pi, 6 pi. So if I go back and look at then my Google document, it's asking me, what is the area of the circle? And then it has A, B, C. What's the area of a circle if it has a radius of 3 units? We just talked about that. It would be pi r squared, which is 9 pi. What about with radius of 10 units? 10 units. Well, we know it's got pi in it. Pi what? Pi times the radius squared. So in this case, the 10 squared. And then here with radius r just means what's the formula? Area equals pi r squared. And then the same thing with the circumference. With radius 3 and with radius 7. We already know from Desmos that if we set that radius at 3, then the circumference is 2 times pi times the radius of 3. So 2 times 3, or 6, times pi. For B, it's 2 times 7 times pi. For R, it's 2r times pi, or 2 pi r. So make sure that you have 3 answers for each one of these questions. 3 answers here, 3 answers here, ABC, and 3 answers here, ABC. And make sure that you have these equations in your notebook so you can refer back to them. The area of a circle is pi times r squared, and the circumference or perimeter of the circle is 2 times pi times r. I hope this was helpful for you.